Hey friends, what's up? Hope you all are doing fine. Today's video will be a gaming test of the Redmi Note 9. Before we start our video, if you are interested in the specifications of the Redmi Note 9, you can check it out in my previous video. Redmi Note 9 comes with the latest processor by MediaTek, which is Helio G85 and a Mali G52 GPU. It comes with 4GB of RAM, and here you can see the overall benchmark scores of the Redmi Note 9. I have fully charged the phone so we can check the battery consumption after playing our games. And for today's video I'm going to play Pubg Mobile. As you can see, we have ultra frame rate available in smooth graphics, but if we switch to maximum graphics, which is HD, the frame rate reduces to high. I'm going to play in smooth graphics with ultra frame rate.
Let's go.
As you can see, we still have 87% of our battery left after playing PUBG Mobile for about an hour, which is amazing. But as far as the gaming is concerned, the experience is not as good as I thought it has to be. Although we have a gaming processor in this handset, but it's not as such responsive, as you are paying only $200 for this handset. So I think you can compromise on that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos and I'll catch you in the next one.